Hi there, I'm Shannon with K15T. Thanks for tuning into the Scroll Apps Quarterly Wrap-Up. With the next few minutes, we're going to dive into all the new ways that the Scroll Apps help teams like yours share information and content from Confluence with those who need it most, and in ways that will have the most impact. I'm excited to show you some of the new resources and features that we've shipped this quarter, and you'll also get a glimpse at what's to come. So let's dive in. All right, first up, if you're looking to expand Confluence for other use cases across your organization, then you're going to really like our newest update. So we've just launched a brand new PDF template library, and this resource offers examples of content that's been created in Confluence and then exported and customized using Scroll PDF Exporter. You can get inspired by seeing how other teams are making use of Confluence, from creating contracts and presentations to battle cards and handbooks. If you see an example that you like, you can make it available to your team. Just download the template from the library and then upload it to Confluence. And from there, you can customize it to fit your brand or change the formatting to suit your requirements. And then voila, the template is now yours. We hope that the template library inspires you to find new ways to share your information as beautiful, styled PDF documents, and just saves you tons of time when creating new templates. The templates that you see there are also just the beginning. So we're actively collecting submissions to showcase in the template library. So if you have one that you're really proud of and you want to get your name showcased on our site, then we really want to hear from you. Just fill out that form and submit your examples to get featured. It's that simple. Let's continue to work together to help everyone share what we all do best. Are you concerned with the quality and accuracy of your content? Maybe you're just tired of spending way too much time maintaining Confluence pages and then jumping through cycle after cycle of page reviews. If that sounds all too familiar, then you're going to want to check out Scroll Content Quality. This is the newest member of the Scroll Apps family, and it's now generally available to make content checks much more straightforward. Your team can create rule sets that automatically check your Confluence content. These check for things like broken links, inclusive language, and even styles that you can define based on your company standards, like making sure you follow set naming conventions for Confluence pages. You can get started with one of the bundled rule sets or define your own. Once your rules are set up, a quality indicator on each Confluence page shows whether there are any content quality issues or not. If there are, it'll offer your author guidance on how to improve the content. You can also run space-level reports that indicate the health of all of the content in one view, and this just makes it really easy to quickly address the most important content that will need reviews. So give it a try. Scroll Content Quality is available now on the Atlassian Marketplace, where you can try it free for up to 30 days. It's also free for up to 10 users. And since the release is still new, we're always happy to hear your feedback. So let us know how your team will make use of the app and how it can better support you by reaching out to help@k15t.com. As you might already know, we're working on offering an AI-powered search assistant in Scroll Viewport. Our goal here is to help users find better information more quickly and give users the ability to converse with an assistant that can clarify questions or surface new information right in the Help Center. The feature is still in development, but this past quarter we've worked on surfacing answers more quickly, we've gathered and analyzed more user feedback, and we're working really hard to integrate this into the Scroll Viewport experience for everyone. If you're interested in the AI assistant, we are running an early access program. Just head to our landing page to learn more about the feature and sign up to be the first to know when we release. The feature is also live already in our own Help Center for you to try right now. Just go to help.k15t.com. You can drop a few questions in that search bar and see what comes back. Your feedback here will help us deliver the best possible experience when the feature goes live later this year. Next up, we have some updates to our Scroll HTML exporter. HTML Exporter 4 is coming soon, and once this update goes live, our data center users will be able to make use of a freshly designed Help Center theme, and you'll also find it even easier to customize your templates. If you're an HTML exporter user, here's what you can expect. So we've upgraded the Help Center theme with some sleek aesthetics, and we've improved the functionality, and the theme has been designed to just make your exported HTML content really shine. We've also simplified customization, so customizing themes is now even easier. HTML Exporter 4 will introduce a more user-friendly way to customize the theme, so whether that's just tweaking colors or adding a logo just to bring the theme more in line with your brand, you'll be able to achieve whatever that desired look is with ease. So keep an eye out for that update, and to our existing users, you'll receive an email once HTML4 goes live. Last but not least, did you know that we also produce a lot of Confluence best practices? At K15T, we're more than just apps. So our team wants to help everyone get the most out of Confluence, and we've taken everything that we've learned in the past 15 years and wrapped it up into a variety of resources just for your team. You can check out our YouTube channel for best practice videos, live streams, and YouTube shorts to help you learn new skills in minutes. Our Confluence Collaboration Hub offers more in-depth articles and guides. And finally, our weekly Dose of Confluence newsletter keeps you up to date on all the latest features and tricks that will turn you into a Confluence pro. And the best part, it's all free and it's all on demand. Just follow the link in the description of this video to learn more and sign up. And that's a wrap. Thanks for joining us for this edition of the Scroll Apps Wrap-Up. As always, if you have questions about our apps or ideas about how we can help you better share your information from Confluence, just get in touch. We're happy to hear from you. Stay tuned for future updates just like this as we continue to help you turn your team's knowledge into impact. See you next time.